Right, off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the Forbidden Forest. Don't mind the Thestrals. Dead clever and useful they are. Whoa! You devilish Scroot! Hope to have this handled before you got here. Don't worry, Pixies let him out, but I can herd him back up. Whoa! I'll have to round up the Scroots before they set fire to anything else. They don't know what they're doing. I think that's enough for today. You should probably head back for now, and we'll pick this up later. Bites will take it. Now there's no need for that. Arthur warned me those bites might run wild, but I didn't think they'd take you all the way into the Forbidden Forest. Just hang on. Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His barks are worse than his bites. Now don't panic. I'll just... Oh no. Looks like you've lost power. I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo! Sorry. Never was great shakes at magic. Oh, crikey. You're tangled in Devil's Snare. Repeat Lumos Solum after me. Lumos Solum! Whew, that was a close one. Now we just need to... Oh! You found my missing Scroots. Best be getting out of here before you get blasted. Now hit those purple buttons! Hold on! Dragon Fire's got a kick! Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mum. A ruddy lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. And I'd be grateful if you didn't mention any of this to anyone back at Hogwarts. But Merlin's beard. We did see pixies, Scroots, and unicorns. See you next lesson!